What will make you a programmer? What will truly teach you to program? When many people start studying programming, it's obvious that the first thing they want to learn is a programming language, and they pick anyone. But although this might sound strange, writing code in a language won't make you a developer. In fact, I know many people from different fields who know something about a programming language, but they rarely develop software or make a living from it. So if you tend to watch 10-hour Python or 10-hour Java videos or any other language you like, and all you've learned are loops, conditionals, functions, and classes, let me tell you, that's not enough. You might even be wasting your time. I don't mean this harshly. I've also spent a lot of time studying languages just because I wanted to learn more about code. But over the years, after helping others start their coding journeys, I've realised there's a shorter path, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. I'm going to outline 5 steps to help you truly understand how software is developed in a practical way and how you can start a successful career in software development. Step 1. Understand the area you want to focus on. Titles like developer, software engineer, or programmer are very generic and don't really explain what the job entails. In reality, these professionals can do all sorts of tasks: designing graphical user interfaces, writing database queries, creating video game logic, programming hardware, or developing network software. The tech field is huge, and if you want to learn development, it's better to research the area you want to specialize in. Some popular fields include web development, building websites where users register, access functionalities, and even make payments. Mobile app development, creating mobile apps, which are quite similar to web development in structure. Game development. This field combines programming with creativity, storytelling, graphics, audio design, and more. Of course, there are many other areas, some more complex, some better paid, and others more specialised. The key takeaway from this step is to show interest, research your desired area, and start to understand what you could create. Step 2. Learn the basics of your tools. Once you've chosen your field, the next step is to learn your tools, specifically programming languages. Think of programming languages as a toolkit. Different jobs require different tools. Web development, JavaScript mobile apps, Swift or Kotlin game. Development, C#, or C++, used in engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. However, don't try to learn everything about your chosen language. It's a waste of time. Many people mistakenly think programming must be learned in a strict sequence. First master the language, then frameworks, then databases. But real-life programming isn't like that. Instead, focus on learning just enough about each part to move forward. For example, accept user input. Use control flows, like loops and conditionals. Organize code with functions or modules. Once you've done this, move on to practical examples. Step 3. Practice with your tools. After choosing your language, start creating basic projects. JavaScript. Build a simple to-do app using local storage or create a calculator. The key is to start small and understand every piece of your code. Copy-pasting from ChatGPT won't teach you anything. The goal here isn't to build complete applications, but to realize that knowing the basics isn't enough to build the kind of software you use daily. Step 4. Master APIs, frameworks, and SDKs. At this point, you'll realize that knowing only the basics isn't enough. You'll need to learn APIs, frameworks, and SDKs. APIs, e.g., REST APIs. These are internet services you can use to upload files, handle payments, store data in the cloud, communicate in real time, or process data with AI. Frameworks and SDKs. These tools provide pre-built code to help you create complex software with less effort. Understanding these tools will enable you to build software faster and more efficiently. Step 5. Solve real problems. Using APIs, SDKs, frameworks, and your programming knowledge gives you skills, but skills alone aren't enough. The real value comes from solving problems. Every software exists to solve a problem. For example, Notion is a productivity tool, but other apps like Obsidian, Evernote, and ClickUp were created to address specific shortcomings in Notion. Slow customer service? Build a ticket-based customer support system. Complicated mobile checkout? Simplify the process with your app. Seeing the world as a collection of problems you can solve with code is what makes you a true developer. Becoming a developer is a practical journey, not just a theoretical one.